Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Let's draw something super fun together. Can you guess what it will be? Let's start by drawing a big oval shape. This will be the body of our surprise machine. Now let's add a little periscope right on top. It looks a bit like a bent straw. We're doing amazing! Here comes a clue. This incredible vehicle doesn't travel on land or in the sky. It goes underwater. Can you guess what it might be? Next, let's draw its little propeller in the back. And we're almost done. Here's another hint. This machine has round windows so you can peek out and see fish swimming by. Now, we are going to draw 2 small windows so we can see the world under the sea. Great job! We did it! It's a submarine! Doesn't it look cool? What color do you think we'll use for the front part of the submarine? Here's a hint. It's the color of sunshine. Is it red? Is it yellow? Or is it green? Yes, yellow! Let's color the front part nice and bright yellow. Now, what about the bottom of the submarine? Here's your clue. It's the color of a juicy pumpkin. Is it orange? Is it blue? Or is it purple? Yes, orange. Let's color the bottom part orange. Let's grab some blue for the periscope and the bubbles. Awesome coloring, friends! You're doing such a great job! This is really starting to look like a deep-sea explorer. Just a little more to go! We're all done! How about we use a little magic to turn our drawing into clay? Ready? 3, 2, 1... Wow! Look at our submarine in clay! It looks so chubby and adorable, like it's ready for a big underwater adventure! Fantastic work, little artist! What vehicle should we draw next? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Color Buddies!